This is my second time of buying from Temu. I ordered this on the 17th of December, and today, 6th of January, I just went outside. Temu delivered right outside my gate. I ordered only 2 items. You can see it's very tiny. The last time I ordered was early last year. So I ordered for a mobile flash, because this year I don't want my phone to be doing no memory. I ordered for USB flash drive for my phone. I ordered for a phone flash. I hope it's a phone flash or not USB flash. Yes, a phone flash. So I'll just put this in my phone. Look at the top. Aha! Look at this. This will go into my phone, and this will go to where? To the system. So if I record content, because this year I'm recording a lot of content, and last year my phone memory was just dealing with me. I was just deleting. My phone has 128 gig, but the 128 doesn't reach anywhere because I run 2 brands and I have to create content every time. So my content creation this year, I don't want it to be an excuse. So I got this beautiful, I picked this color purple phone flash from Temu. I'm just going to put this cover. Let me cover this, and la, it's so cute. And the last one is I just got 2 items, and the last one is just for ring this thing. So I got exactly what I ordered for. So all of you guys to say what I ordered for is not what I got. When you want to buy from Temu, you have to read through. Some of you are always in a hurry. You have to read through the reviews. You will scroll down. They even attach videos. They attach videos to it. They have description. Even if worse come to worse, log Temu, go and take Temu, coffee Temu. You want to buy anything, go and take Temu. Sometimes I will take Temu to measure to see the length. If it is, you are seeing that thing as big, but it's actually very small. So it is your duty to pay attention to the description. They have sizes and description. So I got this. This is going to be a ring display for my bead and jewelry brand for Christy Beads. This is for Christy Beads. I picked this color. Oh, so cute! I'll just put my ring there. Boom, 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 boom. So anytime you see my videos pop up on your FYP, buy your jewelry pieces from Christy Beads and accessories. So that's the 2 things I bought from Temu. So am I going to buy more? Of course I will buy more. I love it. So if you want to buy from Temu, just make sure that you are patient, read through the reviews, read through the description, so that you look at it. Don't be in a hurry. Put your address, put everything. They will deliver it, and delivery and shipping is free. Shipping is free from Temu, so they will deliver it to your house or your location. This is my second time, and they always bring you to the front of my gate. They just come, your line car, your order is there, and I will come out and I collected it. And that's how you buy from Temu. Anyway, see you in my next video.